Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add Pythagorean theorem equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open our document. Now we want to add Pythagorean theorem equation in this document. Go to the insert menu, then click the equation drop down menu and find the Pythagorean theorem, then click it to insert. Now we can see we insert the Pythagorean equation. Now we can see here the Pythagorean theorem is a square plus b square is equal to c square. You can change the text. Click the text and change this. Otherwise you can add extra formula. Click the box and go to the design menu. Then you added extra formula. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.